Boy, I'm so mad at y'all out there in that yogurt community making these dang on yogurt ice creams. I'm so mad at y'all. Y'all kept saying, oh, this is so good. This is an alternative to ice cream. This is so good for you. I made this stuff. Look at me. Look at me doing it perfectly, Adding a little pizzazz to each one. Using my good chocolate, my Ghirardelli chocolate up in this joint. Got time about put it in the microwave, melt the chocolate, and put a little oil in there or something like that, blah, blah, blah. I did all that. Waited, frozen, put them in the freezer, melted that chocolate, pour that chocolate. Oh, my good, I could have made some brownies. I could have made anything. But nah, I listen to some of y'all trying to make some damn yogurt ice cream bars or whatever you want to call it. This yogurt catastrophe. That's what that is. Yeah. Had me waste my good chocolate on this stuff. Watching y'all on YouTube trying to make this stuff, and y'all talking about, ooh, it's so yummy. Ooh. No, it's not. And the only way to make it yummy is to add more calories. You gotta add something else to it. You gotta add some cream cheese. You gotta add some extra power up in here to get this thing to taste good. Let me tell you something. I sat here, made it all perfect, poured all this chocolate on there, and the whole time that I'm pouring it on there, I'm like, dang, I could be using this for something else. I could have made me some ice cream, poured some chocolate on it, chopped me up a banana. I could have made me a banana split with some chocolate like fudge on top or something. I could have done so many other things. I could have made chocolate chip cookies. I could have made some almond flour, chocolate chip, which are very good. I could have did that. And I used my good almonds as a crunch on top. Why? Because that's what some of y'all was doing online. Some of y'all was doing this online, putting almonds or pecans or whatever on top, trying to add some structure to this mess. That's what y'all were doing, and I'm trying to follow in y'all footsteps. But you know what? From now on, I'm not going to follow y'all. I'm not going to follow y'all on what y'all be doing. Because what y'all doing out there is creating mess. Y'all creating mess. I'm done with all y'all egg recipes, all these whole bunch of eggs, 10 eggs to make a pancake because you trying to avoid carbs and bread and all this kind of stuff. I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm not following y'all no more of what y'all doing. I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not going to do that at all. I tried y'all way. And ain't no way. So now I got to take things into my own hands and do things my way. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for a better recipe than what the world y'all doing out here. I don't know what y'all doing, but this ain't it. This ain't it. Case closed. Never again. Goodbye.